Ever heard of a borderless banking experience? Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamt of ditching the traditional bank and diving into the world of mobile banking? Maybe you're a freelancer who juggles multiple currencies, or perhaps you're an expat constantly on the move. Whatever your reason, chances are you've stumbled upon the term borderless banking. Now, this might sound like some futuristic financial concept, but it's actually becoming increasingly popular. Companies like Monese are leading the charge, offering mobile accounts that break down geographical barriers and make managing your money internationally a breeze. But here's the thing, when you sign up for a borderless banking service like Monese, you often get a debit card. And that's where things can get a little confusing. Is a Monese card a Visa or a Mastercard? Hold on. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. What's the difference between Visa and Mastercard anyway? You might be surprised to know that both are payment networks, acting as the middlemen between your bank, or in this case, your borderless banking app, and the merchant you're paying. So, when you swipe your card at a store, Visa or Mastercard authorizes the transaction and ensures the money gets transferred securely. Here's the key takeaway: there's no actual money stored on your physical card. It simply serves as a key that unlocks your account and lets you spend the funds you have there. Alright, now that we're on the same page, let's get back to Monese. Here's the good news: Monese actually issues Mastercard debit cards. This means you can enjoy the widespread acceptance and security that Mastercard offers, potentially making your international transactions smoother. Mastercard boasts a network of millions of merchants across the globe, so the chances of your Monese card being accepted are pretty high. But what about the benefits of using Mastercard with Monese specifically? Well, Monese prides itself on offering competitive foreign exchange rates. This means you get closer to the actual exchange rate when you spend abroad, saving you money on those pesky conversion fees. Here's a bonus perk: some Monese plans even offer free ATM withdrawals abroad for a certain amount each month. This can be a lifesaver if you're constantly on the go and need quick access to cash. Now, before you rush off and sign up for Monese, a couple of things to keep in mind. While Mastercard is widely accepted, there's always a chance a particular store might only accept Visa. So, it's never a bad idea to have a backup payment option, just in case. Also, remember that Monese charges certain fees for specific transactions, like topping up your account or making ATM withdrawals beyond the free limit. Be sure to check their pricing structure before you sign up to avoid any surprises. In conclusion, Monese offers Mastercard debit cards, providing you with a secure and globally recognized payment network for your borderless banking adventures. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons, understand the fee structure, and maybe keep a backup payment option handy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy borderless banking.